Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So Rosalind sent me over this super cute gel polish kit and I'm going to be reviewing it for you guys. And let's get to opening this. First thoughts, oh my gosh, the packaging. So cute. Let's get right into it. These are some jelly nudes. I put them over some white press-on tips, which I regret. Maybe I should have used clear because the jelly was really transparent and I had to do layers upon layers upon layers of these polishes just for them to cover the white. So that was my mistake. It's not a reflection on the product. These colors are beautiful. I loved all of them. Like, I want to do another set without the white so that these colors can really shine through. The consistency was very creamy. It cured quickly. I didn't have any lumps, any bumps. Like, this stuff was the truth. And it layered so well. I had to put about a good 5 coats of this stuff on. This is my favorite. So fire. Yeah, guys, I do my voiceovers after I'm done filming. So I'm watching it for the first time with you guys. Kind of. But I got these tips from Madarag next to my house. And yeah, I just wanted to try them out. They were only $4. What I didn't like about these, they were just so wide. Like, I never had my nails so wide, and I did file it down, but I guess it was just the overall shape of the nails. These were more round. So even though I did file it to like my liking, I still ended up with a wide nail bed. But the jelly polishes from Rosalind were so amazing. Like, I want to get another set from them. They gave me like 4 sets to choose from, and I chose this jelly one, but they had so many other cute sets. There's a link down below to the polish that I have in this video and the Rosalind store. So if you guys want to go and check that out, I encourage that. These files I use for myself. Guys, please don't think I go around using raggedy files on people. When I do practice sets on others, I always use new files. I like to put a little bit of glue on my nail and then some glue on the press on as well. I find that it just holds better that way. I took these nails off like today, which is the day after I recorded this. So I kept these nails on for a day, but they would have lasted way longer. Like, tips for a long-lasting press-on set would definitely be, make sure you prep your nails. Make sure your nails are free of all oils, debris. And I kind of thought that this was going to work, but look at the color. Like, even though I was fighting the white because it was so strong, and the jelly polishes are so, like, you know, they're jelly. It's not even that they're super sheer. It's just the opacity. How do you say that word? This color was gorgeous. This is like mocha color. So gorgeous. And I feel like it would complement brown skin. Like, all these colors complement brown skin, but that mocha that I had on my thumb, oh my gosh. The C471 is the color name. So good. But you see, I'm going in with multiple layers. I've done at least 4 to 5 layers on each nail, just so that I wouldn't have the white tip showing through underneath. And I did a bit of a sloppy job with my top coat, but it's okay. I really wanted to show you guys the colors. Like, these colors are so beautiful. They slid in my DMs. They slid in your girl's DMs and said, hey, you want to collab? Choose from one of these sets of beautiful colors. And I chose these. Hold on, you know it wouldn't be me without some stones or something. Guys, there's no wet slow-mo for these. I kind of didn't want to do a wet slow-mo with my nubbies. It's always like more appealing when I do it with the longer nails. I just wasn't in a... These didn't give me wet slow-mo, like, but the colors do. The colors gave me wet slow-mo. But I definitely... Rosalind did their big one with these colors, with these jellies. Like, I love it. And stay tuned, you guys, so you can see how it's going to look once I put a little cuticle oil on here. And I'm just going to give you, you know, a little angles. But there is no slow-mo. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out the Rosalind Gel Polish Kit. And like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye-bye, guys.